Today I will be showing you the disassembly and reassembly of the Mossberg 500e. So to start, what you're going to do is go up here, unscrew your barrel. And remove that. Next step is to move your trigger assembly with this pin right here. Just pop that out. Pull out your trigger assembly. You may hear some metal rattle around. Don't worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. Right here, one piece that you're going to hear. And on this side is the other one that may fall out on you. It's alright. It's all going to come out anyway. Now what we're going to do is we're going to slide your action back until all this lines up. What you're going to do is just remove this. And what you're going to do is slide your action forward, pull that out. Then you're going to take this, squeeze it together, pop that out. Then your bolt carrier slides out the front. You're all disassembled. Now to reassemble it, you're just going to slide your bolt carrier back in. Insert this back in. Make sure that's all lined up. Take your action, slide that back on. Now these are loose for a reason, because when you put it back together, you're going to push them down. Slide it in, and then they're going to go to maybe a ½ inch, 3/4 inch in. You're going to have to push them down again and slide further in, and you should be all the way in. You're going to see them come out right here. Now you're going to line that up with these notches right here. Drop that right in. Now that's all together. Now I found the easiest way to put your trigger assembly in is bring your action all the way back. Put these two back in. Make sure they're in the right place. There it is. Then take the trigger assembly, pop that right back in. Put your pin in. Then move your action up a tad bit. Put your barrel in. Then screw it right back down. And that's your disassembly and reassembly of the Mossberg 500e. Previously, we had done the disassembly and reassembly of the Mossberg 500e. Now we're going to do a firing test to make sure everything is functioning and good.